Senior officials representing the 10 ASEAN member countries met in Vientiane Capital on Thursday, August 11, to discuss ASEAN Community Vision 2025. Chaired by Laos ASEAN Senior Officials Leader Alounkeo Kittikhoun, the meeting witnessed its participants focusing their discussion on efforts towards the effective implementation of ASEAN Community Vision 2025. In particular, the implementation of the ASEAN Political Security Community Blueprint 2025, which was adopted by ASEAN leaders at the 27th ASEAN Summit in Malaysia in November 2015. The participations also discussed the implementation of the recommendations of the High-Level Task Force, or HLTF, on strengthening ASEAN Secretariat and reviewing the ASEAN organs and procedure for accession of the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia, or TAC, by Chile, Egypt, Iran, and Morocco. They also discussed preparations for the 28th and 29th ASEAN Summits and related summits, which will be held in Vientiane in early September.